Everyone to a new student tutorial for the Canva Competition Safe Refuge competition with UTB. Today, students, we're going to be looking at finding consistent graphics. So why don't we jump into it? We're going to go to our second slide here. We're going to go over to the sidebar where we find our graphics, which is our elements. So when we search for an elements, let's say we're doing our safe refuge on floods, we can do a search on floods and you'll see that it guarantees us different types of digital assets that we can use, from videos to photos and so on. Now, what we can do with that is we can also go up to the top and we can do a filtered search on what we're looking for. So if I'm looking simply for some animated kind of GIFs, I can do a search on that and that will give me some different GIFs there. So if I click on the see all, I've got some great little small kind of GIFs that I can look at. And when I click on one of those, we can start to utilize that graphic in our presentation, which is great. We can also get rid of our filter. This time we'll just do a search on floods. And the other thing that we can do is once we find one that we actually like, we can start to look at similar ones that we can use in our presentation. So if I click on the three dots, let me zoom in there a little bit. It's our three dots. We can actually then find similar images or graphics to that one that we've had. Now we can see, definitely we can see the keywords that we can look at, but we can also go down to see more like this. Or we can go to view collection to see more consistent branded ones. And you can see here, I might love that graphic. I like the style of it. I like the consistency of it. But then I can start to utilize and say, well, what would a graphic like that be like in the city? And so you can start to incorporate those dynamic graphics in there as well. Now, if I go back, we can also hit on the three dots. We can also look at view collection. Often graphics are made by similar artists, and you can actually see that there's kind of some consistency there going forward. So we might be looking there at a little bit more less of floods, say coming from low-lying areas and more from beach or coastal areas, that we can start to incorporate that. The other thing that we can also do to get our brand consistency in there as well is we can go up to our colors. So we can actually go up to our colors. If I make that a little bit smaller, we can go up and change the tops of those greens to be a different color if we wanted to, whether that's yellow, whether it's blue, whether it's black. And so we can start to gain some different consistency there as well. One other thing to get your colors actually matching is you can also match your graphics with your photos. If I go back here and we look for another image on floods, and we bring in, this time we bring in, say, this photo, and let's say we've used that photo in each of our images, we can actually click on that image here and we can go up to our green and we can go down to the colors over here on the left hand side, the colors within that photo. So we can actually customize the different photos of the water. Let's say the blue color. If we click on the blue, we can go down to our photo colors and we can make that a similar blue to what's in the photo itself. So you can start to customize your colors according to that situation going forward. One further thing is when you're using text, let's go into our text here. Let's create something that's a little bit different. So why don't we go with this one here? And if I make that a little bit smaller, we can also customize those colors to that as well. So if I click on my colors there and I go up to my first color, we can actually go down to the different branding colors in our text and we can start to incorporate that. So it might be that green, or it could be the gray color. We could make that green. And so it's suiting those different purples or the colors that we've actually got there. We'll go to there and we'll go to the purple. And all of a sudden we've got our graphic that matches our text. Another great way of getting some consistency with our projects for our Safe Refuge Canva and Using Technology Better competition. I hope you found that useful. Once again, making sure that we've got some consistency with our colors in our presentation and our animations and our different elements in the competition will hopefully create a much more professional looking submission for the competition. Paul Hamilton here for UTB.